Welcome to Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Sacramento. This week, I'll be staying in one of the best suites in the whole hotel, the Aquatic Suite. It has easy access to the patio and plenty of space to hang out. It also has direct access to the pool and cabana you can rent nearby. Let's start with the front hallway, which is keycard access only. This suite is located at the bottom corner of the building, so you get full corner window views. It also has the same layout as the Gold Suite, so you've got a full wet bar and a medium-sized fridge. Just in case you need to expand, you can add a regular aquatic room for your rock star entourage. Now, let's go check out the bedroom. Each room in this suite has access to the patio directly outside a lockable door. Every aquatic suite comes with a Hard Rock towel and sunglasses. This suite will make you feel like Superman. Let's check out the full master bathroom with soaking tub and walk-in shower. Looks like room service is here. They've got a great variety of selection. What was I thinking? Let's take this out to the patio. With seating for 7 to 8, you can have a full party outside, right next to the pool. It's almost time to go to the casino, but with that sunset, it's hard to leave this suite. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. If you want to see another awesome suite tour, click here. If you want to see me go to the casino, gamble, and win, click here.